We are here today doing our second iteration of work for Sherwin Williams Premium Paint Emerald. Last time we kind of explored just what color can look like as paint's formed. This time we wanted to show people not just what paint could look like, but what it could become.
And we started to think a lot about how to make paint move in interesting ways, like how we could throw it around, make shapes, tell a different story, and how we could do more interesting and dimensional camera moves. All of this is this beautiful colored narrative, but it's also taking paint and doing things with it that no one's ever done before.
McKinney and Sherwin Williams have partnered with Psyop production company, as well as the Marmalade, because they have built this motion control system called Spike.
Spike, along with the software that it works with, gives us unprecedented control over camera movements at a very high speed. So this shoot would have been impossible without a system like that.
We did this entire thing practically, and that's something that we can do with the high-speed camera and the robot that we could never really do, even in CG. We basically edited using flame on set, which is something new. So it's something that allowed us to both look at our stuff, edit it, composite it on the fly, and know what we're gonna get, and that was huge.
The forms and the techniques we're using are much more advanced, and we think that the outcome is going to be incredibly exciting, a wonderful evolution of what we started a couple of years ago.
With this, it's almost like you're doing some kind of strange chemistry or physics. You know, we get in there and we're coming up with rigs and we're figuring out with ways that we can combine the paint with water or shoot it with different elements or spin it or do whatever we can. This is something dynamic and fun. It stays true to the paint. All of the emerald paint is the real paint that's being used in this film, and everything that you see is true to life. It couldn't be any cooler.